Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas and some miscellaneous swipe tools and some Amsterdam black and some Amsterdam white, which have slightly different recipes. I have already put some black around the edge and made a diagonal choice. And I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Sans the dog hair? Where did that come from? Oh my gosh. Must be time to vacuum again. So I've said before, I like the fact that the spatula carries a bead of paint with it. And it is the best paint spreading tool I know of. And it's available on my Amazon link. And my Amazon link is on the link tree. And my link tree is full of links, but it's underneath the video. It's the first blue link underneath the video. So I don't think it matters if I'm exact or not. Pretty sure not, because I'm planning on doing something similar to one of my geometrics. I'm going to back push that spatula off right along the edge. So I have some paint there. Clean off the rest of it right on this end. Pretty well. I'm not going to worry about this side, or I'm going to try not to worry about this side. Let's take all that paint that looks like it's extra and put it on that side I wasn't going to worry about, because I worry about paint on the edges of my canvas, and I probably shouldn't, but I still do. So let's wipe that off of my studio rag so I don't have to throw it in the bucket and clean it later, assuming I can get it clean now. And put some black on the other side. My pants are a great paint rag. So this is not what I want. That's the Amsterdam with the pre-stained wood conditioner in it. And I did that not right next to the other one, so I had a chance to push the paint right up to that other border. Didn't want a super excess because I'm going to be using black on the white side and white on the black side, or so I assume at this exact moment. That could change. Everything is changeable. Got one more spot right there. I don't have a straight line, but I don't think it matters. I do have something of the diagonal I was expecting. I'm going to take that paint, give it one more squeeze. So the blade sort of floats on that bead of paint. It doesn't do a lot of interrupting, which really shouldn't make any difference at all. I'm going to scrape off my spatula into my scrape dish, because you never know when a little black paint will come in handy. And that's going in the bucket. Now, I have favorite tools, and I'm going to try not to use them. I'm going to try and change it up just a little bit. So let's grab the Amsterdam white that I already shook up, but I will shake it again to make sure, which is 4 parts Floetrol, although it doesn't look like it, and 1 part Amsterdam white. So let's try this. And honestly, if it doesn't work this time, it's not beyond me. To want to add some more Floetrol or use a different tool, which is probably more like it. Let's grab a different tool. It's one of my new little tools. We may not get tons of cells, but we're going to get something at least a little bit interesting. Maybe, if I'm lucky. So let's go to the other side. This is Meeden black and Meeden white. And I just put my favorite swipe tool down, but I'm going to use this one. Well, I would if it were open. It was a second ago, so it should be... Come on. Really? That's just not right. I got a smaller bottle and it will work. I figured... Oh, there's where I'm starting. I figure I'm going to do black or silver if I want to. Silver or gold if I want to. And that caused a double swipe. I am still having a good time, but now I've got some gray on there and I kind of want to use it. It's going to look like a barcode. Oh, okay, so I really want to add some water to that Amsterdam white. But when I was talking to Gail Burston, she said she did not use any. So I'm going to just, for a moment, add a tiny bit more of my pouring medium and stir it around and see if it helps. And then I'm going to add some water and see how that works, because it's just too thick right now. Even, you know what? I can't leave that there. I wasn't kidding about the barcode. But once I bring the gold in, or the copper, or silver, well, maybe not the silver so much, it could probably help quite a bit. I could even do yellow, but I want to do some black. And I want that big bottle of paint to be open right now. And I have a pair of tweezers. You can find these stainless steel tweezers. They're really sharp and they clean up really well if you just throw them in a little water. The paint just rubs right off. No effort at all. Okay, so I don't know where this is going yet. But I've got some more paint. I've got plenty of paint right dripping on my canvas. I kind of like that little space I left. I want to go sideways. I always want to go sideways. So back to the white again. Don't really like it when my turntable spins. I never did get a break, like a literal break. I'm using it sideways because it won't spin sideways. I do stuff because I can, and that looks actually kind of cool. Well, that's not showing up at all, but I bet you anything I stole some paint. I'm liking that a lot, actually. Stripey. And I'm liking it, so I'm just going to keep doing it until I stop liking it. Might take a gentle touch. I might want to put some gold on there right soon. I think I'm going to take some more black first. I'm not getting many cells, but I'm really actually okay with that so far. Alright, I've got some of this white. It's going to get a dose. Hey, heavier application works better. Maybe it's the extra Floetrol I added too. Definitely getting more cells. Maybe I won't add gold. Or maybe I will. I don't know yet. It's kind of weird to be doing the whole thing with one card. And in that case, a finger. I think I'm going to put some more. I'm just using my little scrape dish to apply. Letting it rest. I keep wondering when I'll have gone too far, but that won't be a good thing to assess because at that point it'll be too late. I keep feeling this spot here. So I'm not actually minding that, but I'm not super thrilled yet either. And I'm really thinking that it might be okay to play with the gold. I'm not sure what's going to happen with it. I'm going to grab it and put some in. Maybe I will put some into my dish after I throw my little tool that didn't work out for me very well. Put some right in there. I could still put some silver in too. I might like this a lot now. Sort of feeling the Decor Americana 24 karat gold, which is the same as this, but it has some orange in it, might be nice too. So let's just pull that out. There it is. Let's put some of that right along the edge. It's not quite copper. And the gray makes it look silvery. That's kind of neat. At least over there on that edge. I could also put it right in, I suppose. It's a lot easier to get a straight line using a straight card. Although it's not completely straight, it's straighter than it might be otherwise. Because you can shuffle it sideways and up and back. So do I put silver in there? I'm kind of liking the gold better right now. I'm not getting any cells, but that's really okay. That'll be another painting another time. They're in my dish. It's getting to be something I like at last. But I'm having to feel it out. I like that little white spot. There aren't enough of those. I wonder if I have some, yeah, I have some white paint. I also have a little tool around here somewhere that I'm going to wish was kind of square. Let's try it. Well, that's not, not exactly what I was expecting. You can see these tools. If you search tools on my channel, you'll find an instruction video that shows you all you need are some bamboo skewers, some clear waterproof duct tape, and some somewhat heavy packaging acetate. Oh, I like that. So that's a whole lot more finished in my opinion. That feels good to me. I have 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. If you're interested in inquiring, please use the email address below the link tree. The link tree, as I might have mentioned, is the first blue link underneath the video. That's okay, I haven't messed up yet. I kind of want some black, and I have it from having scraped off earlier. I don't know if it'll turn gray or not because I didn't clean my... Looks more like blobs than squares. So you got to be a little careful of how much paint is on the little stamping tool. But I am liking the texture that that's making. And I do have 93,000 subscribers, 93,100. It's been a little bit interesting watching them go up and down like a full 100. Now, do I want to add any more of that, or do I want it to be gold? And I kind of answered my own question. I'm going to wipe that little tool off, my little paint hoe. I think I'm liking this. I think I'm almost done, and what should I tell you guys? On the link tree you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and you can often find tomorrow's video. Best place to find tomorrow's video is pretty much consistently my community board. What did I just do with it? There it is. I have to look at this for a second to make sure. Okay, so I've got 1 minute to tell you that there's a monthly drawing that helps support the studio in the production of videos. And if you want to get in it and have the possibility of winning some paintings, then you should probably look at the exhibition video that I share on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. At the very beginning it'll show you what the prizes for the drawing are. I hold the drawing at the beginning of the month. I think I keep looking at this one spot over here, deciding to do something and then looking away and losing track of my time. Or my mind. One or the other. Okay, that's it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. When you share my videos, it helps me out. When you watch longer, it's the most helpful of all. I love you guys. 2,000 videos on my playlist if you go to my channel. I will see you guys, and on, this is cool from up here. I like it. Right there, I'm going to put some more black. I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.